Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you the butterfly in 99J color. And you know that we are not only doing this kind of light blonde or brown or black color, but also we do a lot of custom colors. We do have clients, or our clients they do have customer who want custom colors. So we have a coloring which have rich colors. You can see a lot of colors, and we do custom colors as well according to clients requirement. And this is a 99J color. You can see firstly the beautiful color and also the thickness of this hair bundle. This is a butterfly weft, pure weft. You can see 2 bundles and super thick and full hair bundle butterfly weft. And this is also another type of custom color according to client's requirement. It is invisible taping hair extensions, and clients want the root color is also custom. So usually the root is around 2 inches or 3 inches. So you can see this one is longer according to client's requirement. So everything is customizable. And on the bottom is kind of bleached color. And so we have a rich colors. This is coloring. Actually, we have this coloring on our website for sale. You can order this coloring so that in your salon you are able to match your client's hair colors better. And any colors on this coloring, there's no any requirement for minimum order quantity requirement. So you have a clients like this only want maybe 100 gram or 200 gram, we can also do that if you want. And so I think this will definitely help you in doing more business and satisfy your clients demand. So if you want, find a hair extension supplier factory which can help you boost your business and do a lot of custom works for your salon and for your business. Definitely you can contact us and order with us. If you have any question regarding our hair extension, you can also let us know anywhere. We have a representative and on our website to answer your question. We have different type of hair qualities. We only sell quality hairs, and we have premium like virgin hair extensions. We also have remy hair extensions, or we can supply. If you want a partner, definitely contact us and you will get what you want, and we will help you to boost your business. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let us know. Thank you. Have a good day.